Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkar. This video is intended for the final year students, those who are studying, for whom I am lecturing on the Contempt of the Court Act. In the classes, I told you what is a civil contempt, what is a criminal contempt, and the person who commits the contempt is called Contemnor. In this case, it is very clear that మనిషి మొండివాడైతే అలాంటి వాడు కంటెమ్నర్ అయితే కోర్టు కూడా ఇబ్బందికరమైన పరిస్థితి. ఎందుకంటే సెక్షన్ 12 of the Contempt Act says the maximum punishment should be only for 6 months and the fine should be 2,000. This man is ready to undergo the punishment. Then what can you do to him? Who is this man? What is this? Let us go to the case law. So, in re contempt against Upendranath Dalai. In re means in reference. Contempt against Upendranath Dalai. Contempt petition number 3/2023. So, let us understand what is this contempt case. Basically, facts of the case, let us understand. Actually, this Upendranath Dalai, he filed in 2022. He filed a public interest litigation before the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Right? So, requesting that court and the public of India to declare the Supreme Court to declare Sri Thakur Ankul Chandra, Guruji, Sri Thakur Ankul Chandra as Paratma. Paratma means Supreme Soul, Supreme Spirit. He has filed a public interest litigation. Then the Supreme Court did not agree. Even as a common man, we also do. Ours is a secular country. If you are interested, call him as Sri Paripurnananda Swami, like that. Nobody will have an objection. But he cannot enforce it against your wish. This is what he intended to do, which was not liked by the Supreme Court, and Honorable Supreme Court of India imposed a fine of 1 lakh on him and asked him to pay the money. This is the genesis of the problem. On 8/12/2022, Honorable Supreme Court of India dismissed his petition and asked him to deposit rupees 1 lakh as compensation or as for the costs. But he failed. He did not pay. Notices were given him, no reply. And ultimately, he has sent some review petition stating that 1 lakh is too costly for him. The court is not inclined to hear his plea. Like that, he has sent some review petition. Since he did not obey the court orders, since he did not pay the money as a contemnor, Honorable Supreme Court of India issued bailable warrant against him with a direction that he should be arrested and he can be released on bail after furnishing a surety for rupees 20,000. No, he did not pay. Ultimately, since the bailable warrant failed, they went for the non-bailable warrant. NBW was given, so he was arrested and brought before the court. 2 or 3 times it was done. On 4/3/2024, he was brought before the court, but he declined, saying that he wanted his mobile phone to prepare the reply. Where is the mobile phone? The mobile phone was kept with the police station. Then the Honorable Supreme Court of India directed the prison authorities to supply the documents for his petition for his reply. But he said unless the phone is given, he is not going to submit his reply. Then the court said, how can you ask us to provide the mobile phone? What is there in the phone? He said, entire information is there. Unless the mobile phone is given, I can't give the reply. Then the court said, actually, they wanted him to see the phone with the help of a police official, but the court was of impression that he may misuse it, because he said, if you don't give the phone, I am not going to give the reply. If you want to send jail, I will be there. I will be there forever. I will remain there. No problem. What about it? He said, I have filed a review. So if you file a review, do you mean to say that the review will be taken up? He said, whatever happens to me, you have not heard my plea. You have to declare Sri Ankul Chandra as a supreme spirit. Till such time, I am not going to go back. So, what to do? Supreme Court posted the matter to, I think, today. Today they will decide the issue. So, let us see what will happen. Thank you.